Hi friends, it's Miss Hanlon here, and today we are going to read our spelling words for week 1 for the month of May. After we are done reading and spelling our spelling words together, I would like you to take a little break, maybe 5 minutes, and then sit down and write your words. Or you can type them on the computer. It's up to you. Okay, so let's get started. You are going to say and spell the words. We're going to say and spell the word. Okay, here we go. L-I-K-E spells like. What sounds do you hear in this word? Like. Ol. L makes the ol sound. I. K. K makes the k sound. And E is silent. You can't hear E. It's like. Like. Our next word is kind. K-I-N-D. Kind. I will be kind to my friends. What sounds do you hear in this word? K, k, ah, ah, d. Kind. Ear. E-A-R spells ear. And this is a tricky one because we don't hear all the sounds in this word, do we? We hear And what does this say? I am your teacher. M. A-M spells M. I am your teacher. And what sounds do we hear? A is making a sound this time. Mm. M. Who? Who is your mom? W-H-O. Who? Yeah, we're hearing some interesting sounds again. Who? All right, friends, that is spelling list 1. Great job following along. I will see you soon. Keep practicing spelling and writing those words. Bye.